Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I know you want to install Windows on Mac, but first of all you need to watch this video. Let's go ahead and start it. There are three ways you can install Windows on Mac. One, through Bootcamp. Two, parallel Windows. Three, you can separate the disk into two parts. You can use one part of the hard drive for Mac OS, the other one for Windows. I will explain which way is the best. First way, through Bootcamp. Basically, if you have a computer like MacBook, the old MacBook, there are some problems. It's gonna say you cannot install Windows on this version because it's not supported. It's very annoying. That's why I don't like the Bootcamp. The second one is parallel desktop. I'm using right now parallel 14. The last version is parallel 15. But when you use parallel Windows, like the screen is giving you trouble, it's glitching. It's like you're using the Windows on another platform. It's not a good idea. Basically, you're not using Windows, you're using one of the programs on Mac. That's why I don't suggest it. The last way is you're gonna separate the disk into two volumes, and then you're gonna install macOS on one part of it, and then the Windows the other part. When I do that, it seems, first of all, it seems a good idea, but later on, it gives you a lot of trouble. Like, you try to install the Bootcamp way, but it's not letting you do that. You need to do some specific coding, and then you can do that. But this way, as you see in the screen, it seems a great idea. It's gonna work a while, and then after a while the screen is gonna freeze, and then like this, and then you're gonna see black screen. It is also very annoying. After you see some black screens, it's gonna continue working after a while, and it just stopped working, and just waiting and waiting and waiting. It's gonna make you crazy. That's why I don't suggest this. I'm gonna tell you the results at the end of the video, which way will be the best and good for your MacBook. I will show you some problems which you're gonna encounter with. Just go ahead and watch it, then you will see the results at the end. Continue. Here is another problem. It's gonna ask you to select one of them, but you're not able to go next because there is a problem with APFS format and MS-DOS format. Like basically you're installing Windows on NTFS. Like these are like big problems for you. Maybe you will try it 100 times, and then it's gonna ask you the password again and again. You will enter the password, it's not gonna accept it, and when it accepts, when you continue, it's gonna ask you to select the disk. You will choose the disk, but it will say this is not supported. The version is not supported. It's supposed to be APFS, NTFS, MS-DOS, FAT32. These are problems, big problems. My MacBook Pro is mid 2010. It's old, I know, but normally it's supposed to be right there. install create a disk for Windows, but there is nothing over there. Basically, you're gonna copy the Bootcamp and put it on the desktop, and then you need to do some sort of coding thingy. And as you see, I'm gonna make a copy and put it on the desktop, and I will go to the text file in the contents info plist, and then I will remove the part pre in front of bootable. When you do that, it's gonna let you create a disk for Windows 7 and 8, as you see right there. I will create a disk and then I will install it. Still, it's gonna give you a problem. I tried it like 1 week to do this, all of them, all 3 ways. Let's continue. Alright, I downloaded Windows 7 or Windows 8. I already chose the image right there. I tried Windows 10, I tried Windows 8.1, I tried Windows 7. When I try Windows 7 and Windows 8.1, there are problems with the drives. It installs, but at the end it says this Windows version is not able to be updated, and then it's just cancelled. You're not able to install it. It seems you're installing it, everything is good, you're dividing the disk into 2 parts equally, as you see for macOS and Windows. At the end, you're not able to install it. It's just giving you a false hope. This is another problem. Sometimes you're trying to format or erase the disk, but it's not gonna let you do that. Then you need to try to look another solution. The result: use your macOS on MacBook and use your Windows on the devices that are compatible with Windows. Basically, none of the ways are good. I don't suggest any way to do that. If you want to do that, there are so many problems doing that. But if you're using newer version of Mac, that's okay. Go ahead and use Bootcamp. The best one is the Bootcamp because Apple is providing everything for you. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.